Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. Car Interior Duster Detail Brush Cleaning Gel Kit, Soft Dash Vent Dusting Slime Putty Detailing Brushes Accessories Essentials Supplies Tools for Auto, Truck, SUV, RV. Scratching free and fast and efficient and various. Our car detailing duster brush made of import soft bristle without metal parts means no chance of marring or scratching your favorite car. You can use the duster kit to remove dust from various areas, such as air vents, dashboard, loudspeaker, shift paddles, car center console, central armrest box, leather, seats, other small gaps. Gray Soft Microfiber Duster Brush, large area of microfiber and comfortable handle. White bristled dense / super soft cosmetic brush, scratch-free brush. It's made of super soft cosmetic hair.Scratch-free when you clean the interior surfaces, dashboard and more. It's long and have more dense bristles than mini brush of yellow bristle. Yellow air vent detail brush. 5 main features. The brush of yellow bristle have 5 features: super soft, no dead corners, easy to use, easy to storage, no cleaning. It's made of super soft hairs, scratch-free when you clean the interior surfaces, various air outlet, dashboard. Thanks for watching and subscribe.